The Timbavati Game Reserve, which borders the famous Kruger National Park, a place full of many types of animals. Here we will give an update on the current lion dynamics that are occurring in the Timbavati Nature Reserve. The fawn chiller males who originate from the river pride in Clisiri. They are fathered by the two river pride males in Clisiri known as Sosha and Hossi. These fawn chiller males have caused quite a lot of chaos in recent times. They attacked the western pride and killed the dominant male known as Skorokoro, the last Nahuru male. The two young males from the western pride, one who was son of Skorokoro and one who was previously sired by the two Skoro males before them, are both alive and well. Shortly after, they also attacked the dark-maned river pride male and also the white male from the Birmingham pride. Fortunately, both those males have recovered. They have since established themselves with the Western Pride in the north parts of Timbavati. The Timbavati River Pride and the Zark Breakaway Pride are still under the control of the 5 Uyela males, a strong coalition who will not be gone anytime soon. The 5 Vuyela males who dominate vast territory in Timbavati and Klasiri. They rule the Sark Breakaway Pride and also the Timbavati River Pride. In recent times they have taken over the Mayambula Pride, kicking the 5 Birmingham Breakaway males who were trying to establish themselves in recent times with the Pride. A great coalition who are taking pride after pride. The big Giraffe Pride of Timbavati. It was dominated by the beautiful Hercules male. But in recent times he has vanished. Since the arrival of the 5 Birmingham Breakaway males, the Hercules male has not been spotted. It is potentially possible that he has been killed by them or has abandoned the area to avoid conflict. This last year he had struggled a little after his partner the Sumatra had passed away. Many coalitions moved through the area and it was becoming difficult to protect his pride. But recently the 5 Birmingham Breakaway males have come into the area and have set their sights on the pride, and seems that they will be the next rulers of the pride. The 5 Birmingham Breakaway males have been seen in the territory of the Giraffe Pride on many occasions. They have set their sight on the pride, and with the Hercules male, their previous dominant male, not seen in a long time, it is assumed that the Birmingham Breakaway males could potentially be the next rulers of the pride. The Birmingham Breakaway males have also been seen in other males' territory. They were seen recently in the Black Dam males' territory. These boys are really trying to establish themselves in Timbavati. The Birmingham Breakaway Pride, which was previously controlled by the 2 old Ross males who fathered the White Lions of the Birmingham Pride. Recently, the pride has been taken over by the young son of the Ross males, called Nephew, the 2 old Ross males who fathered the White Lions of the Birmingham Pride. 2 legends. It seems recently that their reign may have come to an end. The dark-maned Ross has not been spotted in a long time. These 4 Monwana males were hanging around the Birmingham Breakaways territory, but in recent times they have abandoned the territory and gone south, and now are seen in Sabi Sands. Two lionesses from the Birmingham Breakaway Pride have recently given birth, and it is believed that nephew is the father of these cubs. The beautiful Birmingham Pride, which is home to two beautiful white lions. This pride is currently ruled by the two Mabiri males, Zigzag and Shaka, a famous male lion duo who are known for their ferocity. The Birmingham Pride currently has many cubs, and we hope for the continued success of this pride. The Mayambula Pride, which consists of two males and one female, located in the central part of Timbavati. The two Jacaranda young males. These two come from the Jacaranda Pride and are fathered by the two legends Hondo and Jack Shima.